Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. 9 passive income ideas to make $3,050 daily, even while you sleep. What if I told you that you could make $3,050 every single day without lifting a finger? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 9 proven passive income ideas that can help you achieve exactly that. Briefly mention that these strategies are beginner-friendly and scalable. 3. Introduce yourself and your channel. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. It allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. Today, I'm sharing 9 ideas that can help you build multiple streams of passive income. Idea 1. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying shares in companies that pay regular dividends. Over time, your portfolio can generate thousands of dollars in passive income. 4. For instance, if you invest $500,000 in dividend stocks with a $4,500,000 in dividend stocks with a $420,000 per year, or about $55 daily. Mention platforms like Robinhood or Vanguard for beginners. Idea 2. Rental properties. 5. Rental properties can generate consistent cash flow. With platforms like Airbnb, you can even rent out a spare room or vacation home. Hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks, so you can truly make this income passive. Idea 3. Create an online course. 6. If you're an expert in a specific field, create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once it's live, it can generate income for years. I know someone who made $50,000 in a year by selling a single course on digital marketing. Idea 4. Write an ebook. 7. Writing an ebook is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income. Publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and earn royalties every time someone buys your book. Focus on a niche topic to stand out from the competition. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 8. Mention platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Build a blog or YouTube channel to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Idea 6. High-yield savings accounts. 9. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional banks. While the returns are smaller, they're completely hands-off. Mention platforms like Ally Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Idea 7. Create a YouTube channel. 10. Once your videos are uploaded, they can earn ad revenue forever. Plus, you can monetize through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Focus on evergreen content that stays relevant over time. Idea 8. Invest in REITs. 11. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. They pay regular dividends, making them a great passive income source. Mention platforms like Fundrise or Public.com. Idea 9. License your music or art. 12. If you're a musician or artist, license your work to companies, filmmakers, or advertisers. You'll earn royalties every time your work is used. Mention platforms like Audio Jungle or Shutterstock. Bonus tip. Automate and scale. To truly make these income streams passive, automate as much as possible. Use tools like Zapier, hire virtual assistants, or outsource tasks. Focus on building systems, not just working harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Remember, every like and subscribe helps this community grow stronger. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality for everyone who's ready to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.